Tech and Auto. So today we're doing a Samsung Galaxy S8 board switch. So we have that phone, this phone, right? So we already took the board from that S8, which it's right here. So we're going to be putting this board into this phone. So exciting? Alright, stay tuned. Tech and Auto. So what we're going to do, I already find my way with this card behind the glass. Remember, this is glass, you know. This is delicate and easy to break. So now I'm going to work the card right around the area, around. I remember where the touch sensor is, there's a ribbon under here, right here. So be careful where you push the card so it don't cut the ribbon. So stay tuned again and watch after we pull off the back. So now the back is off. I'm going to remove all these screws, all of them, right? And once you remove them, you're going to remove your SIM tray, because if the SIM tray is still in the phone, the board won't be able to come out. So now that's all. We remove all the screws. We're going to remove this lens. After you remove the lens, remember the touch sensor. You're going to push a plastic tool under it, remove the touch sensor. And from remove the touch sensor, next thing you do, this is a wireless charging area. You push a plastic tool under it to lift it. Once you lift that, then you'll be able to lift this part of it with a plastic tool. Right, here we go. This part is up. Now, first thing as that come up, disconnect your battery. Battery is disconnected. This side piece right here next. Flip it. Then you go down here to the bottom right here. Plastic tool again. Under it. Pry it. That is off. Next thing, look right here to this plus. You're going to disconnect this. Next cable. Disconnect. White cable. And please remember where you remove the cables from. White. And then up top, black. Battery is out. Over this side now. This cable now is for the volume. Remove that. Up top where the camera is, you're going to take out that first. After you remove the board, then you're going to install back the camera on it. So now, down here now, plastic tool, put it in between and rack it, two side, board release. Now, you can remove the board from a Galaxy S8. So we're going to remove this board. And we're going to install this board. Samsung Galaxy S8 board switch. Stay tuned. Continue. So now, put the board inside the phone. Click back down all the areas that need to be clicked down, and now finally the battery. Connect the battery. Now we're going to turn it on and test it. Here we have it, Samsung Galaxy S8 board swap.